Here at BJB, quality is our priority. With over 50 years experience, our customer service team can help you place an order or help fulfill your needs by directing you to the BJB Team Member that can assist you best. Our QC department assures that we keep our highest quality promise for all of our customers and materials. Our technical sales team can help you by answering any questions, concerns, or innovating your ideas. After careful and accurate packaging and last-minute quality checks, your order is sent on its way. With our short lead time and experienced carriers, we make sure your material is out the door in no time. Our materials are utilized in many industries, including sports, aerospace, and even the movies. BJB, taking the mystery out of materials since 1970.